It took several hours for us to take delivery of the camper van when we got it, and I am going to try to show you all of the same features in just a couple of minutes. Here I am pulling into a parking space to show you everything. Here's how I get set up. Throw out your welcome mat and extend the retractable Thule awning. Pretty quick and easy, and gives you some indoor-outdoor living space. Quick walk around of the van. We've got the power sliding door, the oversized off-road tires, exterior light bars on the front, side, and rear doors. We also have that optional wrap that comes with it, so you can get that vinyl wrap put on if you'd like. Here's me setting up the bed once we find a place to sleep for the night. It is a standard queen size mattress, and the bed does raise and lower through the hydraulic jack that's over here. There is also a very cool gear slide that slides in and out of the van so that you can access all of your stuff easily. The bed does raise up and down by about 2 feet, allowing you to put different size items on the bottom. You can also fit a twin size mattress down here on the gear slide. If you don't have a bunch of other stuff, you can bring a bunch of other people. Here is the battery bank that powers the whole vehicle. If the front main vehicle battery ever dies, you can jumpstart yourself with the touch of a button. There's additional storage. There's the water supply tank and a hose. Back here are switches that control some of the lights, the water pump, and some of the other accessories on the van. Here is the hydraulic arm in action. You can see it raising and lowering the bed. There's the water supply line that you can connect over to the kitchen. There's that gear slide again. Just another view from what we call the bottom bunk or the gear slide area. Here we are getting ready to leave. Flip up that mattress extender, make room for the headrest. The front seat swivels around. And you've also got the Lagoon Table that you can use. Up top here above the cabin area, you do have more storage. It comes with skeeter beaters and a cargo net. We do have 3 adjustable, movable shelves that you can hang anywhere that there is T-track. You've got air vents, the control panel for all of the electronic. Is there enough power on board? Absolutely. You have tons of USB ports, 12-volt charging stations, 110 volts outlets that you can plug appliances into, more USB ports, USB and 110 volt outlets integrated, another 12 volt, another USB. There's a carbon monoxide detector. Up top, this is where we have the AC/DC power converter that does have solar panels up top, lets you know that your batteries are charged and that there is adequate power supply. Here's what the roof looks like. There's all kinds of standard lights, accent lights that are kind of a bright cobalt blue color. That the MAXXFan exhaust system that has built-in thermostat and remote control. Oh look, time to go. Let's pop in the Thule retractable awning, and we'll show you what it's like to get in the front seat here. Got lots of storage inside the doors. Above the dash is all storage as well. Premium leather seats, 4-way adjustable, as well as an eyebrow tint on the front windshield. And here's your rear control for the air vent, as well as your 3rd control panel for all of the electronics in the vehicle. We have these large flip-down sun visors with lighted mirrors in case you, like me, and like to do your makeup while you are glamping. And here's just another quick view of the front steering area. You've got integrated controls into the steering wheel. You've got all kinds of controls for your backup cameras, your front cameras, the auto start stop. To fill it up, it is about 26 gallons of easy fill gas, and if you can just plug it in and use shore power. You are definitely going to love this van.